Hello friends, in this video I will discuss employment news weekly New Delhi 14 to 20 August 2021 in details. Dear subscribers, if you want to see employment news every Friday in English 14 August to 20 August 2021 in shorts and in Hindi in details and in shorts in Hindi. Link has been given in the description box. Welcome to Rozgar News with Mahinder Singh. You are watching employment news of this week. On this channel, you will get employment news, current affairs and job notification. If you are new on this channel, please subscribe the channel. Without any delay, let's start employment news. Let's start employment news weekly New Delhi 14 to 20 August 2021. Vision for New India @75 by Neeraj Sinha, Naman Agarwal and Sidhe G. Shinde. Happy Independence Day as the nation celebrates Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. Let's sing the national anthem. NEET and Options Beyond MBBS by Nidhi Prasad. Take the first department and vacancy from Sahitya Academy, autonomous organization under the Ministry of Culture, Government of India. Name of the post, dear friends, assistant editor. Number of post 1, reserved for scheduled tribe, yani ST. Locations, head office New Delhi. Pay scale, pay level 10 as per 7 CPC. Age limit is 40 years. Relaxations as per the Government of India rules. Method of recruitment is direct. Educational qualifications and other qualifications, rules and norms. Essential qualifications: a postgraduate degree from a recognized university in a language, literature recognized by academy. Good knowledge of Hindi, English and one or more Indian languages of the region concerned. Desirable: a research degree in literature, research experience in public work and general knowledge of Indian literature. Diploma in journalism. Application close date within the 30 days from the date of publication of this advertisement. Please visit his official website sahityaacademy.gov.in for more details. Next vacancy from an information from Union Public Service Commission Combined Defence Service means CDS to exam 2021 including SSC Women non-technical course. The exam, it is information given that exam will be conducted and last submit date for submission for application is 24 August 2021. An exam will be conducted on 14 November 2024 for admission to Indian Military Academy IMA. So friends, if you want to apply for this above post, please visit his official website upsc.gov.in for more details. Next employment notice from Inter-State Council Secretariat, Ministry of Home Affairs. It is the employment notice for the post of accountant group B non-gazetted in the pay level 6 as per 7 CPC. The last date for applying this accountant post group B non-gazetted within the 60 days of publication of employment notice. Details, terms, conditions and rules and norms, please visit his official website www.interstatecouncil.nic.in. Next vacancy from Coast Guard Headquarters Directorate of Second Recruitment, Noida, Uttar Pradesh. Coast Guard organization invite application from eligible candidate for the post of chargeman, general, center service, group B non-gazetted, non-ministerial. Number of vacancies are 9. Breakup are like this: SC 1, ST 1, OBC 2, EWS 1 and unreserved 4. Pay scale will be as 6, pay level 6 as per 7 CPC. For more details, please visit his official website www.indiancoastguard.gov.in. The last date of receipt of application is 30 days from the date of publication of this advertisement. Next department, appointment of the Director General and Chief Executive Officer in Indian Institute of Corporate Affairs. Dear friends, Ministry of Corporate Affairs, Government of India, New Delhi invites application from Indian nationals, one post for Director General and one post for Chief Executive Officer (DG) and CEO in the Indian Institute of Corporate Affairs, means IICA. Pay scale will be 80,000 per month fixed, and as per 7 CPC, it is required 2.25 lakh per month. For apply this, please visit his official website www.nca.gov.in. It is offline mode, so friends, you have to download the performer from this link nca.gov.in and send it by 30 August 2021. Means by 30 August 2021 your application should be reached to this following address. Next department, Institute of Pesticide Formulation Technology, Gurugram, Haryana. It is online interview mode and direct recruitment. It is the post for vacancies are invited for study director, Ecotech, study director and personal chemistry, project assistant grade 3rd, consultant Rajbhasha, accountant assistant and assistant on purely contract basis are job there. So friends, by 26 August 2021, you have to apply above all these posts. It is offline mode. You have to download the performer and eligibility conditions and other requirements, amendments. Please visit his official website ipft.gov.in. Next vacancy from Delhi Transport Corporation of India, New Delhi. Name of the post, Chief Vigilance Officer. Grade pay is pay level 13 as per 7 CPC, number of post 1. Essential qualifications, he should be a officer under the central or state government or with years Rozgar service with pay band at least grade pay should be 7,600. He should be 15 years experience. Maximum age is not exceeding 54 years. So dear friends, if you want to apply about this post for Chief Vigilant Officer in the Delhi Transport Corporation's last date for this receipt application by 31st August 2021. Please visit dtc.nic.in for more details. Next department, National Institute for Empowerment of Persons with Multiple Disability, means Divyangjan. Employment notice, it is 01/2021 for regular post for invites application from eligible candidate for the post of Associate Professor in Pediatrics. One reserved for EWS. Group skills pay level 12 as per 7 CPC. Mode of recruitment is direct. Second post is Associate Professor in Speech and Pathology and Audiology. Number of post 1, pay level 12 by deputation basis. On contractual basis posts, number of post is 2, one for Associate Professor in Special Education and one post for Associate Professor in Therapeutics. Remuneration is consolidated pay, no other allowances is fixed, 46,000 per month for both Associate Professor in Special Educations and Therapeutics. For last date of this receipt above all these posts by 30 days from the date of this publication in the employment news. Please visit the official website niepmd.tn.nic.in for more details. Next department and recruitment notice from Krishi Vigyan Kendra NGO ICAR Kasturbagram Indore MP. So friends, application are invited for the candidate for the post of subject matter specialist, means agriculture engineering discipline. Pay scale is 5,400 grade pay as per 6 CPC. Essential qualifications, master degree in agriculture engineering from a recognized university. Desirable experience, 2 years experience in KVK. Age limit is 35 years. As on last date of issue this application. Last date of issue application, form in office by 7 September 2021 by 5 pm. Download application form and other details and rules and norms and essential qualifications. Please visit the official website kvkindore.co.in or kgntrust.org. It is offline mode. You have to download the performer and send it on given address before 7 September 2021. Next vacancy from Cantonment Board, Clement Town. It is a employment notice for direct recruitment for the post of assistant teacher, application through online system only. So official website for applying this post for teacher, assistant teacher is cantonmentboardrecruit.org. Name of the post, assistant teacher, Cantonment Junior High School, Clement Town. Pay band is 2800 grade pay, age 18 to 25 between. So friends, OBC 1 post is there, unreserved for 1, total post for assistant teacher is 2. So age relaxations as per government rules, SC and ST 5 years relaxations, OBC 3 years, person with disability PWD 10 years, and for other categories as per the government rule UPT. Applying for, please visit his official website cantonmentboard.recruit.org. Within 30 days you have to apply by 15 September 2021. Next department, Union Public Service Commission, Sahjhan Road, New Delhi. It is a special indicative advertisement 55/2021 for the post of 2nd September 2021 is last date. The 154 vacancies for the post of Deputy Director in Employees State Insurance Corporation, Ministry of Labour and Employment. So friends, by 2nd September you have to apply online through mode only, means upsconline.nic.in. Next vacancy also from UPSC and Union Public Service Commission, New Delhi. Advertisement number 10/2021. Number of posts 2 vacancies for the post of Assistant Keeper in Anthropological Survey of India, Ministry of Culture. Pay scale level 7, pay matrix as per 7 CPC. Age is kept 35 years for ST and 33 years for OBC. So friends, post of the Principal Engineering cum Joint Director General Technical and Director General in Shipping, Mumbai, Ministry of Ports, Shipping and Waterways. So unreserved for 1, pay scale 14 and pay matrix as per 7 CPC. Age is 50 years. For rules, norms and regulations. And second vacancy is number 2108, means 1 vacancies for the post of Fisheries Research Investigation Officer in Department of Fisheries, Ministry of Fisheries, Animal Husbandry and Dairy. It is 1 post. 1 post is for Scheduled Tribe, means ST01. Pay level will be for the post of Fisheries Research Investigation Officer 10 and as per 7 CPC. Age is capped 40 years. For more details, please visit his official website upsc.online.nic.in. Next vacancy from also Union Public Service Commission, Sangh Lok Seva Ayog. Vacancy circulations, filling the post for Assistant Administrative Officer, General Center Service Group B Gazetted Ministerial Office of the UPSC in pay level 8, means 47,600 to 1,50,100 on deputation basis. So friends, the details and like general conditions, and for application performa it is offline mode. You have to download the performa from upsc.gov.in/vacancy circulations, and before 1 month, means 15 September, your application should be reached on this site. Next post and huge vacancies from Indian Oil Corporation Limited is the southern region. Notification for engagement of total 480 apprentices under the Apprentices Act 1961. So Indian Oil Corporation Limited has invited for the state of, there are 3 types states, means 3 type vacancies: Tamil Nadu and Puducherry, Karnataka, Kerala, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Tamil Nadu. So friends, for Tamil Nadu and Puducherry, Karnataka and Kerala, trade apprentice ITI for each post are 12. And for the technical apprentice diploma is for the Tamil Nadu and Puducherry, Kerala, Kerala, Andhra Pradesh and Telangana, number of posts 12 each. For trade apprentice accountant, number of posts 12 each for the state of Tamil Nadu, Puducherry, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana. And for the post of trade apprentice data entry operators fresher, 15 each for the state of Tamil Nadu, Puducherry, Karnataka, Kerala, Andhra Pradesh. And friends, trades apprentice data entry operators for skill certificate holders, and trade apprentice retail sales for associate professor for Tamil Nadu, 14 each vacancies for Puducherry, Karnataka, Kerala or Andhra Pradesh states. So friends, trade apprentice retail sale associate fresher 14 each for Telangana. Total posts are 480. So dear friends, you have to apply essential qualifications is for trade apprentice. Metric and class 10 with 2 years full time, IT, filter, electrician, electronic, mechanic, machinist, instrument and mechanic and machinist. So friends, technician apprentice, metric 10 plus 10th pass with 3 years full time diploma in engineering, mechanical, electronic, instrumentation, civil, electric, electronics with minimum 50% marks, and general and OBC 45% in case of SC, ST and PWD. For the post of trade apprentice accountant, graduate in any discipline with minimum 50% marks. For OBC 45%, in case SC, ST, candidate for reserved position from a recognized university or institute. For trade apprentice data entry operators fresher, minimum 12th pass but below graduate. For the trade apprentice data entry operators skilled certificate holder, minimum 12th pass but below graduate. Additionally, candidates should possess skill certificate of domestic data entry operators for training of less than 1 year issued by the awarding body recognized under the National Skill Qualifications Framework. For the trade apprentice, essential qualifications required retail sale associate freshers, minimum 12 pass but below he should graduate. Trade apprentice, retail sales associate skill certificate holders, minimum 12 pass but he should below graduate. So how to apply? Interested candidate meeting the prescribed eligibility criteria is a online mode. So before 28 August 2021, you have to apply is official website iocl.com only. Means www.iocl.com you have to apply. Next vacancy from Manjra Charitable Trust, Krishi Vigyan Kendra, Latur. Name of the post for subject matter specialist horticulture. Number of post 1. Essential qualifications for subject matter specialist, master degree in horticulture and equivalent or qualification from a recognized university. Second post is subject matter specialist agriculture engineering. Number of post 1. Master degree in agriculture engineering or equivalent qualification from a recognized university. For more details, please visit his official website kvklatur.com. Application should be reached within the 30 days from the date of publications in advertisement in the employment news. Next vacancy and department from Government of India, Ministry of Electronics Information Technology, Unique Identification Authority of India, means UIDAI, Aadhaar Card Office, New Delhi. So it is application invited for the filling up the post of various posts on deputation foreign term basis at UIDAI Regional Office, Mumbai. It is the applications for the various posts. Post are details like this: section officer, assistant section officer, private secretary and accountant on deputation basis on foreign services terms at UIDAI Regional Office, Mumbai. It is offline mode. You have to send the applications on the given address within the by 30 days, means up to 16 August 2021, because already the date is vacancy circulation 17 May 2021. Date has been extended up to 16 August 2021. So dear subscribers, it is only 1 day left. If you are interested in the section officer, assistant section officer or private secretary or accountant, you have to apply today itself. Next department and vacancies from Government of India, Central Institute of Psychiatry, that means Jharkhand. Advertisement notice number is 202 ESTT/2021. Application are invited for the post of following post. Post name is Associate Professor of Psychiatric Social Work. Number of post 1. Pay level as 11 as per 7 CPC. Eligibility criteria, if we talk, he should be a master degree in social work or sociology or applied sociology from a recognized university or institute. He should be a MPhil in psychiatric social work from a recognized university or institute. Doctorate degree, PhD in psychiatric social work or social work in social applied sociology from a recognized university. 5 years teaching experience or research experience you should be here in last 2 years as an assistant professor in psychiatric social work and institutions. So friends, desirable qualifications: experience in psychotherapy and counseling techniques. Second post is senior dietitian. Number of post 1. Pay level will be level 10 as per 7 CPC. Eligibility criteria: if we talk master degree in food and nutrition for home science and home economics and clinical nutrition. 2 years practical experience, he should be in dietetics in a 100-bedded hospital, or BSc in food or nutrition or home science or home economics or clinical nutrition or diabetic food science or nutrition or food. So friends, postgraduate diploma in food and nutrition dietetics, 3 years practical experience, we should desirable qualifications, department dietitian since pay level 6 and the matrix will 8 years of regular service experience. So friends, above all 2 posts, you have to send the application for forma. It is offline mode. Send it on the given address before due date. Next vacancy from VV Green National Labour Institute, Noida. It is a file number administration 2/003/15/PO. Application are invited for the one post of program officer, unreserved in one post is the pay matrix level 10 as per 7 CPC. Last date for applying for program officer, which is unreserved one post, is 50 days from the publication of this advertisement. For eligibility criteria, qualifications, experience, please visit its official website vvgnli.gov.in. Next vacancy from Government of India National Disaster Management Authority, NDMA Bhavan, New Delhi. National Disaster यानी NDMA invites application for the filling one post for project coordinator CNERMP and one post for project coordinator grade 2 CNERMP on contract basis in NDMA. So applying for this about 2 posts for project coordinator 1 or project coordinator 2 within the 30 days of publication of this advertisement in the employment news. For more details, please visit ndma.gov.in. Next vacancy from Office of the Development Commissioner, Cochin Special Economic Zone, Kakanad, Cochin. So friends, it is a filling of 8 posts for Assistant Development Commissioner in SE zone, means Special Economic Zone located in Kerala, Karnataka, and one post for Section Officer Accounts in Cochin. If we talk about the Assistant Development Commissioner Cochin, Special Economic Zone Cochin, number of post 1, it is a Group B gazetted post, pay level will be 7 as per 7 CPC and with grade pay of 4600 pre-revised. If we talk about the Assistant Development Commissioner, is pay level, number of post 3, one post for each Group B gazetted and pay band will be with grade pay 4600. It is for 3 posts, Special Zone Kochi, Kerala. Next for Assistant Development Commissioner, 5 posts are there, pay level will be 7 as per CPC. Next post is Section Officer Accounts, CSEZ, deputation on contract basis. One post is there, Group B gazetted post, pay level will be 6 as per 7 CPC. Method of recruitment will be on deputation basis. So dear subscribers, you have to send the application in the given format within the 30 days from the date of these publications. So friends, it is offline mode. You have to download the application form and send it on given address. Next vacancy from All India Institute of Medical Science, Gorakhpur. Recruitment notice. Application are invited for the following post on deputation basis. All India Institute of Medical Science, Gorakhpur. Name of post, Medical Superintendent, pay level 14, number of post 1 each for all vacancies. So Financial Advisor, Superintendent Engineer, Executive Engineer Electrical, Executive Engineer Civil, Assistant Controller of Examination, Administrative Officer or Account Officer. All pay level 10, number of post each one. So friends, to apply above all these posts, please visit its official website aimsgorakhpur.edu.in. Within the 45 days, you have to send the applications on the given address. Next vacancy from National Institute of Fishery Post Harvest Technology and Training, Cochin. Filling up one post for Junior Hindi Translator in NIFPHATT, means National Institute of Fishery Post Harvest Technology and Training Office, Cochin. So essential qualifications, if we talk, he should be a bachelor degree of recognized university in Hindi with Hindi and English as a main subject, either on the 2 medium of examination or main subject. recognized diploma and certificate course in translations from Hindi to English and the vice versa, or 2 years experience in translation work from Hindi to English and vice versa, means English to Hindi, Hindi to English. So friends, within the 60 days from the date of this publication of this advertisement, you have to apply for this post, means Hindi translation, for the National Institute of Fishery and Harvest Technology and Training. Next vacancy and department from Government of India, National Disaster Management Authority of New Delhi. It is the post for Consultant Grade 2 Mock Exercise and Incident Responses System on contract basis in NDMA, means National Disaster Management Authority. So friends, for office institutions and organizations, please visit his official website ndma.gov.in and send it the application for the Consultant Grade 2 Mock Exercise and Incident Response System within the 30 days of publication of this advertisement in the employment news. So friends, it is an offline mode. You have to download the application performer is given with link website ndma.gov.in and send it before 30 days on the given address. Next vacancy from Defence Institute of Advanced Technology, deemed to be University, Pune. It is a JRF recruitment call for applications. Applications have been called for selection of JRF, means Junior Research Fellow, number of post 2. In LSRB, sponsors research proposal, means Intelligent Video Based Human Activity Analysis. So the position is purely temporary and is for a period of 18 months. So friends, if you desire and want to apply for this post for JRF for the Intelligent Video Based Humanity Activity Analysis, please submission your applications before 24 August 2021. For more details, rules, norms and regulations, please visit its official website dlit.ac.in. Next vacancy from Rashtriya Manwa Ayudhikar Ayog, means National Human Rights Commission, New Delhi. Name of the post Junior Directors, number of post 1, pay level 12. Essential qualifications: officers whose central government, state government, union territories, autonomous, statutory organization, public sector under the university and recognized research institute. Second post is Senior Research Officer, number of post 2, pay level 11. Librarian and Documentation Officer, number of post 1, pay matrix 10. Assistant Accounts Officer, number of post 2, pay level 7. Program Assistant, number of post 3, pay matrix, pay level 6. Accountant, number of post 1, pay level 6 as per 7 CPC. Research Assistant, number of post 3, pay matrix, pay level 6. Junior Accountant, number of post 2, pay matrix, pay level 4. Assistant Librarian, number of post 1, pay matrix, pay level 4. Stenographer, grade D, number of post 9, pay matrix level 4. So above all these posts, essential qualifications: he should be officers of the central government, state government, union territories, autonomous or statutory organization, public sector undertaking. So friends, within the 45 days, you have to submit this application for above all these posts. Please visit nhrc.nic.in for more details. Next vacancy from Ministry of Culture, National Museum, Janpath, New Delhi. It is a circulation for the 2 posts of carpenter, one for SC and one for OBC category. Pay matrix will be pay level 4. For the National Museum on regular basis, and 100% recruitment, direct recruitment is there. So if you want to apply for the carpenter post, so please visit his official website nationalmuseumindia.gov.in, and it is offline mode. You have to send the application within the 60 days in the given address: National Museum, Ministry of Culture, Janpath, New Delhi 110011. Within the 60 days, you have to submit your application. Next vacancy from National Brain Research Center, NBRC. Application are invited for the post of Director, National Brain Research Center, Gurgaon, India. So application are invited for the post of Director, NBRC, Gurgaon, Haryana. So essential qualifications for the post of Director: MD, PhD or equivalent degree or biomedical field. Minimum 15 years experience used to be in neuroscience. Excellence track record and excellent scientific publications, patients and awards. Age limit and rule regulations, please visit his official website nbrc.ac.in. Next vacancy and department from Central Footwear Training Institute, Government of India. It is a admission open notice. It is a for long time courses. It is information given for advanced certificate in footwear manufacturing technology FMT. 10th pass is 35 years. Course duration is 12 months. Closing date 27 August 2021. For the FD/PD Advanced Certificate course in footwear design product development, 12 pass, 35 years, maximum age 12 months, and 9 September 2021 you have to apply. Next course is certificate course in footwear design and productions, 10th pass, 35 years, 6 months, 24 September last date. For diploma in footwear manufacturing and design, postgraduate diploma in footwear technologies, and postgraduate diploma in footwear technology PFD and leather goods and matters, any diploma and 12 pass. So friends, if you want to desire this and want to do course and you want to take admissions, please visit his official website in the cftchennai.in. Next department, National Institute of Technical Teachers Training and Research Sector, Chandigarh. So friends, advertisement number, application are invited for the assistant professor electrical engineering, number of post 1, category EWS reserved. Assistant professor electronic communication engineering, number of post unreserved. Assistant professor computer science and engineering, 1 post unreserved. So friends, for above all these posts for assistant professor electrical engineering, electronics and communication engineering, and computer science and engineering, last date is by 17 September 2021. Next department and vacancies from Government of India, Department of Space, Vikram Sarabhai Space Center, Trivandrum. So essential pay level, essential qualifications, and name of the post. Application are invited for the following post. It is for junior translator officer. 1 post is reserved. Pay level will be 6 as per 7 CPC, and essential qualifications is required master degree from a recognized university in Hindi or English as a compulsory or elective subject as the medium of examination at the degree level. So friends, junior translator officers, if you want, then master degree or recognized university, master degree from recognized any subject of Hindi or English. Last date by 16 September 2021. For more details, please visit vssc.gov.in for applies. Next, for recruitment on deputation basis by All India Institute of Medical Science, Raipur. It is a medical superintendent 1 post, librarian selection officer grade 1 post, assistant controller of examination 1 post, executive engineer electrical 1 post, executive engineer civil 1 post, executive engineer AC and R 1 post, and chief dietitian and nutrition officer 1 post, administrative officer 1 post, store officer 1 post. Last date for receive this application for above all these posts for medical superintendent, librarian, assistant controller examinations, executive engineer electrical, civil ACR, and executive engineer and chief dietitian and administrative by 6 September 2021. Your application should be reached. For more details, please visit his official website. Next vacancy from Government of India, Noida Special Economic Zone, SEZ. It is a post for appraiser customs. Pay levels 7 as per 7 CPC, pay level 8, 1 post Noida SEZ, Special Economic Zone. Second, for preventive officers, it is a pay level 7 as per 7 CPC, 4 post Noida SEZ. Last date for above all these posts, about 2 posts, is within 45 days of this advertisement in the publications. So friends, before this 45 days you have to apply. Next post from Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare, Department of Agriculture and Farmer Welfare. So friends, vacancies for the project management teams, PMT, for implementation of various schemes. Name of the post, technical assistant. Eligibility, master degree in agronomy, soil science, plant protections and microbiology, agriculture extension with specialization in organic farming. Remuneration 42,000 inclusive conveyance. So friends, second post is accountants, number of post 3, graduate with 3 years experience in handling of project accounts. Third post is junior technical officer productions 1, postgraduate in agriculture science related discipline. Fourth number post is junior marketing officer 1, postgraduate degree in discipline and agriculture, life science, food technology, agriculture marketing and related discipline. Fifth number post, office manager, graduate in management, financial account, minimum 8 years experience in administrative officer in project management. So friends, for applying above all these posts, you have to apply within the prescribed format, means offline mode application is there. So by 26 August 2021, you have to apply. For more details, for application for format, rules, norms and regulations, please visit official website agricoop.nic.in. Next vacancy from the Government of India Stationery Office, Church Lane, Kolkata. It is a post for consultant grade 2. So for the post of consultant grade 2, please visit its official website deptpub.nic.in. Within the 15 days, you have to apply. It is offline mode. You have to download the proforma from deptpub.nic.in and send it on given address. Pay level will be 11 as per 7 CPC. Next department, Cantonment Board of Devli, Maharashtra. So friends, application are through online mode only. Is using official website port Cantonment Board recruit.org. Online applications are invited for the post of post name and number post. Its post is Assistant Health Inspector. Number of vacancies 1. Pay scale will be pay level 8. Age 18 to 25. Minimum qualification means educational qualifications required SSC and 1 year diploma course in sanitary inspector from a government of recognized institute. So commencement date 3rd August 2021 and last date of receipt online application is 17 September 2021. So print date is also 17 September 2021. Admit card to be notified later on website. So friends, it is given official website. You have to apply online mode only. Last date is 17 September 2021 for the Assistant Health Inspector. Next vacancy, an engagement of regional directors. IGNCA intend to engage 9 positions of regional director for its regional center Varanasi, Guwahati, Bengaluru, Panji, Goa, Vadodara, Puducherry, Ranchi, Thrissur and Jammu and Srinagar on short-term contract basis. Please visit his official website for more details, ignca.gov.in. Next vacancy and information, GATE 2 exams, GATE 2022 exams, graduate aptitude test in engineering. So it is most awaited exams for the engineer technical institute. GATE 2 exam will be conducted for the all engineering courses, means biochemical engineers, biotechnology, civil engineers, chemical engineers, computer science, information technology, ecology, all exams. So if we talk about the important dates and application submission, online applications opening date of registration 30 August 2021, closing date of applications 24 September 2021 by Friday. End of extended period of online registration 1st October 2021. So friends, date of examination in the February 2021, 5th, 6th, 12th and 13th February is fixed. Exams for forenoon and afternoon on each day, means 2 sessions exam is there. So application fees for the 750 and 750 for SC, ST, PWD and female candidate and other candidate are 1500. Application purpose only online mode. So before get.iitkgp.ac.in before 27 September you have to apply. Next vacancy and department from the Division of Plant Physiology, New Delhi. Online interview for the post of young professionals. An interview will be online on June. So friends, interested candidates are invited for the online interview under the ongoing project funded Department of Biotechnology, Ministry of Science and Technology, Welfare. It is the post for SRF for 3 posts and young professional for 1 post. For the senior research fellow, yani SRF 1 post, emolument is 31,000 plus 24% HRA. Essential qualifications, if we talk for SRF, that master degree in plant physiology, plant biotechnology, plant biochemistry, and in equivalent subjects. Friends, young professional is 1 post, it's 25,000, HRA will be provided. Essential qualifications, bachelor degree in plant biotechnology or a subject related molecular biology. For more details, please visit ilari.res.in. in. Next vacancy and department from National Sugar Institute. It is a vacancy circulations, Government of India, upper division class. It is post for UDC, upper division class, number of post 1. Group C, it is non-gazetted. Age limit is with not exceeding 56 years. Pay level will be 4. Qualifications: holding analog post on regular basis in parent cadre or department, retired UDC. Lower division clerk and pay matrix, pay level 12. Applications on such will be reached within the 60 days from the date of these publications or issue of this advertisement. It is offline mode. You have to send the applications by 60 days from the date of these publications on the given address. Next vacancy from Ministry of Jal Shakti, Department of Water Resource, River and Development, Ganga Rejuvenations. So friends, applications are already invited by circulation employment news dated 1st to 7 July 2021. Last date of receipt for application: 1 post for chief engineer level grade 2, and the days from the date of this means 60 days. Issue of circulation means from 15 August 2021. It is extended 60 days. 2 months have been this extended for the post of chief engineering level 2. So friends, if you want to apply for this chief engineer level 2, please visit his official website mowr.gov.in. Next department and vacancies from RITES Limited, Government of India Enterprises, Gurgaon. Post name are graduate engineering training for civil engineering, mechanical engineering or electrical engineering. Number of posts 1472 each for unreserved, and total posts are 25, 15 and 8 respectively. Engineer civil, mechanical or electrical. Number of posts 25, 15 and 8 each respectively. For the minimum essential qualifications, if we talk for the post for A2 means graduate engineering training, civil engineering, full-time, BE, BTech, BSc engineering degree in civil engineering. Minimum qualification experience nil. Age limit is 30 years. For the post of mechanical and graduate engineering training, mechanical engineering, same as per graduate engineering and civil engineering. For the engineer civil, BE, BTech, BSc engineering degree in civil, 2 years experience. For GATE electrical, full-time BE, BTech or BSc engineering degree in electrical engineering or electrical or electronics engineering. For the post of engineer mechanical, BE, BTech, BSc engineering degree in mechanical production, industrial automobile engineering, 2 years experience is required and 32 years is age limit. For the post of engineer electrical, BE, BTech, BSc engineering degree in electrical and electronics engineering, 2 years experience required. Age limit is 32 years. So friends, above all these posts, how to apply? It is the online mode only. So you have to visit its official website www.rites.com. If we talk about the important dates, commencement of submission online application form is by 30 July 2021 to 25 August 2021. Between you have to apply. So last date of online application is 25 August 2021. Tentative date of selection process will be notified later on its official website rites.com. Next vacancy from Ministry of Jal Shakti, Department of Water Resources. It is for office memorandum. It is for 25 consultant, technical and non-technical staff are required. So for above all these 25 consultant for technical and non-technical. Last date of receipt this application by 27 August 2021. For more details, please visit cwc.gov.in for more. So friends, next vacancy in department from Ministry of Labour and Employment, Khan Suraksha Mahanideshalay, Jharkhand. It is the post for 33 post for stenographer grade 1. Pay level 6 as per 7 CPC in the Directorate General of Ministry Safety. So friends, within the 2 months means within the 60 days from the date of these publications, you have to apply on this about this post. So it is offline mode. You have to type this performer, fill it carefully and send it on given address within the 60 days. Next department, CSIR, Institute of Himalaya Bioresource Technology, Himachal Pradesh. Last date of receipt application for below this post is by 13 September 2021. Official website ihbt.res.in. Post details are like the post or designation are scientist, area of publications tea chemistry, traditional knowledge, phytochemistry, fungal mushroom, food technology, plant tissues culture, plantation and farm management, material chemistry, scientific communications and mass communications. So friends, above all this post by 13 September you have to apply. Official website ncs.gov.in for more details. Next department and vacancy circulation from Telecom Regulatory Authority of India, New Delhi. It is the post for Joint Advisor. Pay band will be 13 as per 7 CPC. Last date for receive this application by 20 August 2021 for the Joint Advisor. So friends, for more details, please visit his official website try.gov.in. Next vacancy and circulation from Directorate General IDPP, Government of India, Ministry of Home Affairs, New Delhi. So friends, it is a post for deputation for post of Senior Administrative Officer ITBP. Application are invited for one post for Senior Administrative Officer Group A Gazetted. So friends, it is offline mode. You have to fill this performa and send it on given address within the 2 months, means within the 60 days from 15th August 2021 you have to send the applications, or your application should be reached by within 60 days. Next vacancy and circulation, Ministry of Jal Shakti, Department of Water Resource, River Development and Ganga Rejuvenations. So friends, it is an application for the invited for the post of Member Power in Narmada Control Authority in Indore for pay matrix level 14. For details and rules, regulations, eligibility conditions, please visit his official website department.gov.in or nca.gov.in. Offline mode applications are there. Within the 45 days date of these publications issued in the advertisement in the newspaper, your application should be reached in the given address. Next department, National Institute of Agriculture Extension Management manage. It is an employment notice for Director Agriculture Marketing, number of post 1, pay level 14, direct recruitment is there, unreserved 1 post. For second post, Research Associate Agriculture Extension, number of post 1, Group B, pay level 6, direct recruitment, unreserved for 1. Research Associate Knowledge Management, number of post 1, Group B, pay matrix level 6, direct recruitment is there. Name of the post next is Junior Stenographer, number of post 1, Group C post, pay level 4. Next post is Assistant Cashier, number of post 1, Group C post there, direct recruitment. Above all these posts, please visit his official website manage.gov.in and within the 10 days you have to send the applications on the given address. Next department and vacancies from Government of Puducherry, Home Department, Chief Secretariat, Beach Road, Puducherry. So application are invited for the post of Director of Prosecutions in Law and Department. So friends, eligibility for this post of prosecutions and bio department, please visit official website py.gov.in. So within the last date of means by 15 September 2021 you have to send the applications on the given address, means it is an offline mode apply. Next department, Inland Water Authority of India, Noida, Uttar Pradesh. It is an employment notice 52/2020. It is the application are invited for filling up one post for the Chief Account Officer, means CAO. So friends, for the post of Chief Account Officers, you have to send the applications within the 45 days from the date of publication of this advertisement in employment news. It is a offline mode. You have to send the application on given address. So friends, next department and vacancy from Ministry of Law and Justice, Legislative Department, Office Language Wing, New Delhi. It is application are invited for the post of Superintendent Translation Hindi Branch by deputation in Official Language Wing, Legislative Department, Ministry of Law and Justice. One post for Superintendent Translation Hindi Branch in Official Language and Official Language. So friends, Ministry of Law and Justice is required to fill deputation basis only. So post for Superintendent Translation Branch, essential holding an analogous post is parent cadre of department of with 2 years service in a grade referred as a appointment thereafter regular basis pay level 8. If we talk about the essential qualifications, master degree in law from a recognized university and institutions possessing the positions of qualifications and experience, namely member of state judicial service on period of 2 years and central or state union territory government servants or executive officers, public sector undertaking, PSUs, statutory body and autonomous body who has experience in legal affairs for 2 years. So friends, within the 60 days you have to send the applications. A pro forma is given, you have to fill and attach all the requisite document and send it within the 60 days on the given address. Next vacancy and department from recruitment notice from the Department of National Institute of Entrepreneurship and Small Business Development. So friends, name of the post Joint Director and Project Incubations. Pay band will be pay level 12, number of post 1, mode of recruitment is deputation filling which by direct recruitment is there. So within the 1 month you have to apply. Please visit his official website niesbud.nic.in. Next, department and vacancies from Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, Shore and Great Height with Hull. So friends, medical professionals are required for the Hull Medical and Health Unit Bangalore. Name of the post Medical Superintendent Radiology, number of post 1, MBBS plus DNB in Radiologies. Second post is Senior Medical Officer ENT Grade 2, number of post 2, unreserved 1, SC for 1, MBBS with DNB with Senior ENT Officer. 1 year post experience qualification is required. Senior Medical Officer Pathology Grade 3rd, unreserved 1, MBBS with DNB Pathology is required. Senior Medical Officer Medicine Grade 3rd, unreserved 1 and 1 for OBC, MBBS with DNB Medicine. Senior Medical Officer Obstetric and Gynae Grade 3rd, 1 unreserved, MBBS with Obstetric and Gynae, DNB or MS. Senior Medical Officer Surgery Grade 3rd, 1 for OBC, MBBS with MS or DNB with surgery. So Senior Medical Officer Dermatologist, number of post 1 unreserved, essential qualifications required, MBBS with MD or DNB with dermatologist. So friends, above all these medical professionals, please visit his official website and hullindia.co.in. Last date of application is by 4 September 2021. You have to apply. Next vacancy at department from Department of Anthropology means Manav Vigyan Vibhag, University of Delhi. It is the advertisement for the post of research assistant. Application are invited for the research assistant Department of Science and Technology. So please, within the 21 days from the date of these publications, you should send the applications on the given essential qualifications is required: master degree in forensic science, anthropology and officer of field life science with experience of molecular biology. So friends, application process is that resume and cover letters will be mailed to that sajan1@anthro.du.ac.in within the 20 days from the date of these publications. Next vacancy and applications for National Law Institute of University, Bhopal. Applications are invited for the admission to 2 years Master Cyber Law and Information Security Program academic session 2021 to 22. So friends, if you want to do these courses so please visit his official website nliu.ac.in for more details. Next vacancy from National Capital Region Transport Corporation Limited. Vacancy notice, use vacancies are there. So Deputy General Manager Safety, number of post 1, 50 years, essential qualification BE BTech in fire safety or BE BTech in degree or diploma, minimum 8 years experience required. Second post is Deputy General Manager, that is Information Technology, number of post 1, 50 years, bachelor degree in IT and computer science is required, 8 years experience is required. Third post is Deputy General Manager Human Resource, 1 unreserved post, 50 years age, graduate and MBA HR, PG degree or diploma in HRM, A with 8 years experience. Deputy General Manager for Finance, 1 unreserved post is there, age limit is maximum 50 years, graduate and CA, ICWA, MBA Finance with 8 years experience is required. Next post, number 5, Deputy General Manager Revenue, number of post 1A, age limit 50 years, graduate or PG degree diploma in management or business development with 8 years experience. 6 number post is Deputy General Manager Civil at Track. Number of post 1 unreserved. Maximum age is 50 years. BE BTech Civil with 8 years experience. 7 number post is Engineer Associate Grade 2 Civil or Track. Number of post 2 unreserved. 40 years maximum age. BE BTech Diploma Civil with 3 years experience. Engineer Associate Safety. Number of post 2 unreserved. 40 years. BE BTech Fire Safety and PG degree with 3 years experience. Executive Revenue. Number of post 2 unreserved. 40 years. Graduate PG degree management with 3 years experience. Executive Human Resource. Number of post 1 unreserved. 40 years maximum age limit. Graduate and MBA HR PG degree diploma in HR or equivalent with 3 years experience. Executive Finance. Number of post 2 unreserved. 40 years. Graduate and CA ICWA MBA Finance 3 years experience required. Assistant Manager Civil Track 2 post 40 years. BE BTech Diploma Civil 4 years experience. And Executive Human Information Technology 2 40 years. Bachelor degree diploma in computer science or IT or equivalent or 3 years experience is required. For above all these posts, please visit his official website, career section of NCRTCT website, www.ncrtc.in career section, and within the 25 days of this publication of advertisement in the newspaper, you have to apply. Next department, Inland Waterways Authority of India. It is an employment notice for the post of assistant, account assistant or direct recruitment against employment notice. So friends, if you want to apply for accounts assistant in Inland Waterways Authority of India, please visit official website iwai.nic.in. Next vacancy, same department, Inland Waterways Authority of India, Government of India. That is the application for the post of director and deputy director finance and account. Within the 45 days you have to apply. It is offline mode. You have to send the application on the given address within the 45 days. Official website iwai.nic.in for more details, essential rule, norms and application performer. Next vacancy and department, Defence Institute of Advanced Technology. So friends, name of the post is Professor on Contract, Assistant Professor, Professor on Contract, Department and Schools, School of Defence Technology, one unreserved post is there. An Assistant Professor, Department of School, School of Robotics, Applied Mathematics, Applied Physics, Electronics Engineering, School of Quantum Technology and Metallurgical and Material Engineering. One post each reserved, unreserved. So friends, essential qualifications, specialization, age and other details, please visit diat.ac.in, diat.ac.in. Within the 31st August, means by 31st August 2021, your last date of this application you have to apply. Next department and vacancy from National Consumer Dispute Redressal Commission, Government of India. Post name is Account Officer, number of post 1, Port Master, number of post 1, Section Officer, number of post 1, Assistant, number of post 4, Personal Assistant, number of post 1. For his essential qualifications, please visit official website and send it the applications within the 30 days from date of this publication. Next vacancy and advertisement from UT, Administrator of Dadar Nagar Haveli and Daman and Diu, Directorate of Education. It is post for Teacher Education under Samagra Shiksha. Application are invited for the one post principal, 2 for senior lecturer and 3 post for lecturer purely or contract basis in DITE, in District Institute of Education and Training. Please visit official website daman.nic.in for more details. Next vacancy from Port Management Board, Andaman Nicobar Island Port. This is the possessing of the educational qualification mentioned. It is a core engine, means must hold a certificate of competency of master and foreign going ship issued by DG Shipping of equivalent in Indian Navy. So friends, must hold certificate of competency of master of foreign going. Next vacancy from Dr. Sakuntala Misra, National Rehabilitation University, Lucknow. So friends, post name of the post librarian, 1 unreserved, Assistant Engineer Civil, number of post 1, Program grade 1, number of post 2 unreserved. That is a Jain Sampark Adhikari, General Administration, For Jan Sampark Adhikari, number of post 1 unreserved. Assistant Librarian, pay level 7, number of post 2. Junior Engineer Civil, pay level 7, number of post 1 unreserved. And Junior Engineer Electrical, pay level 7, 1 number of post 1 unreserved. So friends, you have to send the applications on the given address within the 30 days. Please visit official website dsmru.up.nic.in. So friends, by 15 September you have to submit your applications on the given address. Next vacancy from High Court of Madhya Pradesh. It is a short advertisement. Name of the post means Personal Assistant, pay matrix level 7 CPC, 36,200. It is a category. Total posts are 22, 11 for unreserved, 3 for OBC and 3 for SC. So friends, start online application 17 August 2021. Last date of applications is 13 September 2021. Please visit official website mphc.gov.in for apply online mode. Next vacancy and department from Institute of Technology, Bhilai. So friends, Indian Institute of Technology, Bhilai invites application on regular basis for the registrar. Number of post 1, unreserved, 57 years, age limit. Assistant, pay level 4, number of post 5, age limit is 32 years. Junior assistant, pay level 3, number of post 2, 30 years. 1 unreserved, for 1 for OBC. For technical post, above all these posts are administrative posts. For technical post, executive engineering, group 1, pay level 11, number of post 1, unreserved, 40 years, age limit. Senior computer engineering, group A, pay level 10, 1 unreserved, 40 years. Junior superintendent technical, group B, pay level 6, number of post 3, 35 years. Assistant technical, number of post vacancies 1, 32 years. So friends, for administrative post and for technical post, you have to submit by 20 August 2021. Is last date. Please visit official website for its iitbhilai.ac.in for more details and for apply online. Next vacancy from Department of Science and Technology. Applications are invited from the Indian citizens filling up the 13 posts for scientist on direct recruitment basis, Department of Science and Technology. So friends, name of the post Scientist C. Nature of post is permanent. Second post is Scientist D. It is also for permanent. And number of third post is Scientist F. So age limit is 35 years in case of Scientist C, and 40 years for Scientist D and 50 years for Scientist F. For above all these posts, please visit dst.gov.in. Within the 60 days from the date of advertisement in the employment newspaper, you have to submit your application. Next department from Indira Gandhi National Open University, New Delhi. It is post for Registrar Director, number of post 3 on deputation basis. Assistant Regional Director, number of post 3 on deputation basis. By 15 September 2021, you have to apply the above all these posts. Next department, Ministry of Electronics Information Technology. Filling the post of receptionist in MATY, means Ministry of Electronic and Information Technology. For the post of receptionist, please visit official website. It is offline mode, meity.gov.in. You have to send the applications within the 60 days from the date of this issue of publication advertisement. Next department, Ministry of Ayush, deputation of Panchkarma expert in Cuba. So friends, Panchkarma expert in Cuba, a graduate Ayurvedic doctor with postgraduate degree in Kaya Chikitsa or Panchkarma from a recognized university in India, deputation on a competent. So friends, you have to send the application. It is offline mode. You have to send the applications within the 30 days from date of this publication of the advertisement. Next department and vacancies from Government of India, Ministry of Education. Advertisement for the post of Director, National Institute of Technical Teachers Training and Research for Bhopal. So for directors, age limit is 60 years as on 16 April 2021. He should be below 60 years. Minimum essential qualifications for director, regular profession in engineering technology on applied science. Minimum total 15 years experience is required. Desirable administrative experience or responsible position. You have to send the applications on the given address within the 60 days of this publication of the application. Next vacancy from National Health System Resource Center. It is for Technical Officer Data Management. So friends, by 21st August 2021, you have to send the application. So it is offline mode. Please download the application from nhsrc.india.org or mohfw.gov.in. Next vacancy in circulation from National Institute of Fashion Technology. It is a recruitment for the post of Joint Director at the campus of deputation basis only. Pay scale will be pay level 12. Please visit nift.ac.in for more details. By 25 August 2021, you have to apply. Next, vacancy from Government of India, Ministry of Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distributions. So which is vacancy notice. Application are invited for filling of the post of Director General with pay level 14. Within the 60 days from the date of these publications, you have to apply. Next vacancy from Ministry of Culture of Library, Section Shastri Bhavan, New Delhi. It is the post for one vacancy for Director and Central Secretary Library in the Ministry of Culture, pay level 13. Essential qualifications: Master degree in Library Science, Library and Information Science, recognized university, 12 years professional experience is required, desirable computerized library activities in library under central government, 1 year experience should have. So friends, essential qualifications: Library Science, Information Science, recognized university or institute, 12 year professional experience is required. So you to send the applications, and offline mode is there. Within the 45 days of date of this issue of publications in the of this advertisement, you have to send the application on the given address in the given performer. Next vacancy from Ministry of Information Broadcasting Media Unit Cell of Wing, Shastri Nagar, New Delhi. Filling up the post for Joint Director of BOC, Ministry of Information Broadcasting and deputation basis. So friends, it is a offline mode. Designation की Joint Director, scale pay level 12, place New Delhi. So eligibility is essential degree of recognized university or equivalent, 7 years experience is production of plays, ballets, opera, folk, theatre, theatrical forms and management of theatrical troops, knowledge of modern theatres, techniques, stage, crafts, trends, contemporary theatres of India's cultures and heritage. So application performer is given. You have to send the applications within the 30 days from date of these publications of issues. Next department is Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology, Unique Identification Authority of India. It is for the filling up of various posts on deputation foreign term basis, UIDA Regional Office, Guwahati. So friends, it is a post for various posts are there. Post name is Deputy Director, Research Assistant Section Officer, Private Secretary and Steno. Means 4 posts are there: Deputy Director, Assistant Section Officer, Private Secretary and Steno on deputation basis only. So by 16 August 2021, you have to send the applications on the given address. Next, from UID Identification Authority of India, same department is there. Filling up the various posts. Post name is Deputy Director, Section Officer, Assistant Section Officer, Senior Account Officer, Assistant Accounts Officer, Accountant, Private Secretary and Steno on deputation basis only. For above all these posts, you have to send the applications on the given address by 16 August 2021. Next vacancy and department: Office of Development Commissioner of Handlooms, Vikas Ayukt Hathkarda Karyalay, New Delhi. Vacancy for the Deputy Regional Enforcement Officer, Group A, gazetted, pay level 11. By 27 means 45 days from date of publication of the advertisement of vacancy circulation in Employment News, you have to send the applications. Next vacancy for University of Delhi Institute of Eminence, employment notice for Mahasi Kannad post doctoral fellowship. So institutions of eminence, University of Delhi invites online application for the Overseas National Action Line for Mahasi post doctoral fellowship. Last date for this is 23rd August 2021 for fellowship. Vision for New India at the rate 75 years. Continue from page number 1. News Digest. National news: Parliament passes various bills. International news. India begins UN Secretary Council presidency for August. Indian and Chinese armies establish hotline for Sikkim sector. Myanmar Army Chief appoints himself PM, promises coal by 2023. Economic news. E-Rupee launches to strengthen direct benefit transfer. India signs $250 million project for dam safety with World Bank. Government launches India's custom compliance information portal. Sports news. Ravi Kumar Daya clinches silver in 57 kg freestyle wrestling. Indian men's hockey team brings home Olympics bronze medal. PV Sindhu bags bronze for India at Tokyo Olympics. Boxer Lavlina Borgohain wins bronze at Tokyo Olympics. So friends, it was the Employment News Weekly, New Delhi, 14 August to 20 August 2021 in details. We have discussed each and every vacancies in details. See you next Friday with new job and notifications with Employment News. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.